Good. Can you say hi?
Hello.
Can you be a little more polite?
Yes, sweetheart.
Would you like to introduce yourself?
Hi, sir.
Are you famous?
Star.
What keeps you safe?
Apple.
Good. Are you a pirate? Can you blow a kiss? Can you toot? That's gross. Alright, how about some animal sounds? Can you do a red wolf? How about an owl? The pretty songbirds? How about a rooster? Can you do a horse? Good. How about a pig that needs to go on a diet? How about your best friend the skunk?
Stinker.
Stinker. Can you fall down? Did that hurt?
Ow, ow, ow.
Cry like a baby?
Quack, quack, quack.
Can you do a cat?
Meow.
How about a dog? Can you bark? Good. About a big cat from the jungle? Can you fly on the spaceship? And shoot the lasers? Gonna make everyone scream. That sounds evil. Can you do water? How about a knock at the door? Can you help me start the car? What'd you do for a peanut? Good. Can you get down? Can you sing? How about some opera? Figaro? Good. Can you sing in the shower? Good. Yeah. Bow, 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 bow. Good. And that also kind of sounds like Rocky Top. Bow, 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 bow. Good. Do happy birthday?
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Good job. How about a fiesta? Good. Einstein, are we in trouble? Good. How about your new laugh? Is it hysterical? Is it dusty?